and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And on today's video I have a very short video. I'm gonna enroll in my new TPMS sensors. As you can see guys, I got my new tires, the 35s, well they're new to me. And as you can see over there is my project that I'm almost done, preparing the axles to be installed. But I didn't want to wait and I needed to clear up some space, so I had to take these tires from the storage and put them on. I got a brand new TPMS sensors, exactly the same that I had in my other tires, which I installed by myself and then programmed by myself. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how I program these tires with the help of this universal tool. It's very easy and fast. I did similar video about maybe 2 years ago or so, but that video is so long, so let's get on it. We gotta put the key inside and put it and turn it to the position number 3 on.
As you turn the car into on position number 3, we have this plug over here. I usually put a little piece of wire over here, and then within 10 seconds, as you turn the car ignition position 3, you have to touch it. You can touch to this bare metal over here within 10 seconds, like I said, 6 to 10 times rapidly, like tap it, to initiate learning process. Your TPMS light's supposed to be blinking, it's not supposed to be solid or anything, so just something to consider.
Then we're gonna take our programmer, put it to the valve stamp, press it. I heard the light blinked. Let's go to the next one. We're starting with the driver front, now the passenger again, and the hazard light's supposed to blink. I heard the relay. Now we go to the passenger rear again. The light blinked. And now the last one, driver rear. Press it, hold it, and the hazard light blinked. Nice. And as you can see guys, the light is gone. How easy it is. So let's turn it off. Now let's start the truck. And that's it guys. This thing still works. And that was very quick and very easy. To program the TPMS sensors by yourself, it's this very cheap. I think it was like $5. You can find it on Amazon. Of course I'm gonna leave the link in the description in case you guys want to check it out. And the TPMS sensors, I bought it from Amazon as well, and as you can see, they work. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.